for dinner tonight, it's actually Tuesday, but this meal for Sunday, I didn't make it on Sunday because I'm still kind of sensitive because of my wisdom teeth. So since I already had defrosted it, I made it for Tuesday for lunch. This I made yesterday, which you already saw, but I'm still sensitive with my teeth, so we're not gonna do the tacos tonight. So what I ended up doing was, it's just my husband and my son tonight. So I had leftover patties, hamburger patties. They're the frozen patties that I buy, and I went ahead and just to get rid of the cheese, I went ahead and topped it with the Kobe and Monterey Jack shredded cheese, which is the cheese I used for yesterday's meal. My husband and my son are gonna have just some regular basic cheeseburgers with some barbecue chips. And this is what they're having for dinner tonight, guys. Okay guys, so for dinner tonight, the same old usual on Fridays, we're having pizza. Except tonight we didn't do any wings. We had a really big breakfast, a late breakfast. But it's just pizza from Little Caesars, some crazy bread, and then of course I always eat it with some ranch. But this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight, we are having arroz con pollo, chicken and rice. I made this really super easy. All I did was I boiled some chicken, and then in this pan I just browned some rice, and then once the rice was nice and browned, I went ahead and added the chicken in here. Of course my chicken had been cooking already for about 30 minutes, and I placed it in here, added some seasonings with tomato sauce. If you are interested, I do have a video down below. I've actually made a video on this before, but this is just a really simple basic meal, really easy to put together. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. It's not much chicken. We actually had a really big lunch today, and so I just went ahead and just made this. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys.